In this video, I'll show you how to unpublish your Wix site. This is useful if you want to temporarily take your site offline while making updates, or if you're not ready for the public to see it yet. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening the site you want to work on in the Wix Editor. At the top of the editor, click on the Site menu. From the drop-down options, select Unpublish Site. Click on Unpublish. A confirmation box will appear asking if you're sure. Click Unpublish to confirm. Once you do, your site will be taken offline immediately and visitors will no longer be able to access it. Keep in mind that unpublishing does not delete your site or any of its content. Everything remains saved in your Wix account. You can continue editing and making changes while it's unpublished. When you're ready to make your site live again, simply return to the editor and click Publish. Your site will go back online and be visible to the public. And that's it. You've successfully unpublished your Wix site. With this simple option, you're always in control of when your site is available to visitors.